sihlangene sesiqiniseko sokuthi le nkosi ebekiwe akusiyona inkosi iphara must go right now and lingaphinde libeke eNingizimu Afrika akekho umuntu ozodelela ubukhosi bethu ngoba thina kwaZulu bazi ukuthi kahle ukuthi bengeke bakwenze angazi ukuthi mina eEastern Cape bavuma kanjani ukuthi kwenzeke amanyala njengalawo
zikuthukuthele iganunwabi zakhamuzi esifundazweni Eastern Cape kulandela ukugcotshwa kodaba kweNigeria njengenkosi usihlalo Action SA khona Eastern Cape uthi kufanele ngabe akwenzeki into efana nalena.
If you're in this country illegally and you do anything illegal, you're going to be sent back home. This is the sovereign nation, it's our nation, we love it, and we're protected by a constitution. Now, there's nowhere in our constitution that makes provision for a Nigerian from the Igbo tribe to come and become coronated as a king of the Eastern Cape.
Umsunguli weMarsh ubeke amabala uhulumeni wakuleli wathi uyena lona usiqhatha nazo zonke lezi inkinga ezifana nayo lena eyenzeke eEastern Cape.
It's a government that fails its people. It's a government that doesn't enforce its own laws. Because when we talk about these father shops, for example, that are mushrooming everywhere, what laws are allowing foreigners to own shops?
Nomnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana ukuhlabe wakuhlikiza ukugcotshwa kodaba kweNigeria njengenkosi wabalula ukuthi lesenzo siticelela phansi isithunzi samasiko kuleli izwe.
Nigeria.
Hey,
Lo king, all king Tonton.
Sunny boy.
He
owns taverns. Zonke taverns lapha eStandard ezizama Nigeria bezakhe.
No Davido, no Tonton. So why bemfaka as a king because of that?
No, kaloku originally he comes from a royal kwelaqala suka kulo.
Okay.
Him like you never basuke pha bazokwenzela isiko labo apha doesn't affect us. Now the economy nakwinto na just they should have just notify kind of bavele bazenzele yabo.
So uthi ima so uthi ebesenza iceremony yakhe yapha nothi yalapha.
It's not like ubekwa njenge king ye South Africa no. King yama Nigerians East London.
Oh, window yakubo.
Bane committees abantu. First of all, mhlawumbe kusuke ngapha eking leyase eJoburg bathibane benza iparty. I affect him lona leyo.
Bayazonwabisa nje kwindawo bahlala kuyo.
Yebo. Hayi nami ndiyazi ba why.
So ngibani igama lakho nguSunny Boy bani?
uSunny Boy. Abizwa ngalo.
Lo muntu ebesenzwa iking. Lo so ichisa ishop yakhe ngo.
Still king.
Abachisanga shop yakhe.
Abachisa ishop ngenaphi?
And
you understand yoba imililo yapi kazini because ayamililo beke iking ba.
Which is the fact remains.
Uyiking sebekiwe ayizojika lento. It happened right our noses. Abanye bebepha besapota besele ngoba yacoyicoya abaphelile ityala. Free ezanto bezivana la free booze everything bekumani. Ngoku they are
bayatoyitoy.
Asema indoni mhlamba okubeka kwale king indoni eyatshintsha like apha South Africa or whatsoever.
Kaloku ithi into nokubana how do you come into a new place indawo ongazange wafika kuyo like ungazalwanga kuyo then ube sikanti so king apha like it doesn't make sense.
Akayo king apha la muntu.
But
kokwabo. Yebo.
I think also mhlamba abantu didn't understand.
They didn't understand. They should have understood the process of being. Sakuvele uthi uthathe nje umuntu avule azokwenza ikinga. Lamlo wana here to be mhlawumbe aqale beyi-principal abayi-chief ngoku uzoba yi-king because abantu njengabezulu aba baprofesisayo yabo.
The issue here where a lot of people had raised and of course traditional leaders had raised that what had happened in the previous weeks, seeing that video of a so-called Nigerian king being installed in his position here in East London or Kukombo City showed that it was undermining traditional leadership in the Eastern Cape.
Indeed, and greetings to everyone. We are really pissed off with the circumstances of the past weeks. We really feel undermined because there is no one who can really undermine someone's sovereignty. This is the territory of AmaXhosa, led by King Vululwandle Sandile from the AmaKhakhabe house, which is the right-hand house of King Phalo. I'm coming from the great house of King Phalo, which is the Gcaleka house. But I am not here to represent the Gcaleka house, but as a traditional leader who is leading Amatole local house, I am really, really pissed off, including the membership of the house that I lead, that Nigerians especially could come to the territory of King Sandile and claim to have a king here. We are appealing to our government to really make it a point that whoever formed part of that event is taken out of the borders of this country with immediate effect, because no one can really undermine the authority of our king. Also, we are aware that most of the foreigners are involved in drugs. We want our law enforcement authorities to make it a point that they check whoever is here, especially the foreigners, whether they are on drugs and those who are trading illegally, including those who are running spaza shops, whether their spaza shops are legal or not. If our government can really take us serious.
I'm frustrated. Yo, yazi angiyazi mina indawo nje. Yazi ukuthi uyabona ukuthi labantu men bebecuphile baqala ngokuthi bathi sengilive. Baqala ngokuthi bathi ngeke basuke bona la yini leyo guys. Kanti sex izokubona into. Hayibo. Angiyazi mina into enje. Guys, can we just check ukuthi bonke abantu bethu bayangena ebhasini?
Mamile bonke manje bantu kodwa kusiwo kahle.
Sizo check lo limele laba balimele. Lo munye ushayisa imoto yenu ke. Imali washayisa imoto muphi yena?
I don't know ukuthi wakuphi ngathi kodwa kuthiwa.
Guys, sinenkinga la. We were busy with the march la. Njengoba denibona ama video. So we get to abantu bala, they kept telling us ukuthi khona indawo ekuthiwa California, khona indawo ekuthiwa California, and ama Nigerians have been saying ukuthi basilindile, right? So California is next to a city hall. So there's city hall and then there's this California next to it. It's like it's just across the road from it. Makusuka simile emgwaqeni like sihlakaze emgwaqeni all over baningi abantu. Sithi sakhuluma thina sibhizinesi ipitchi la. Sithi siyabheka emuva nanga umfana wethu uyakhala la. Uqhamuka ugijima uzoma la because ade kugibela ade khulunya phambi kwemoto. Adibele phezu kwemoto. Awukhiphe iskipa. Aveze la esegwazwe khona managerin emile la. Bathi omunye wabo uthe ewela managerin avela amshayisa ngemoto. So oyedwa ushayisa imoto, oyedwa ugwaziwe. Usuke lapha amaphoyisa abizwe kuthiwa amaphoyisa. Wait, just guys, we have to go. It's getting bad la. It's getting really bad. Wazani guys, wazani. Kwenzakalani?
Neputi bashaya itolo kanje. Abadubuli.
Sambeni kodwa kusofika amaphoyisa problem.
Manje abantu sebecasule ilokho ukuthi ama Nigerian agwaze lo mfana ahambe afike utshela amaphoyisa angathi angazi noma abanake bese biza thina. Ubani manje ushisa amathayila abantu bakhona? Umphakathi ke manje. Sekumphakathi ke manje. Umphakathi uvele wajabula wathi na amazulu. They started singing and shouting ukuthi abahamba. So umphakathi njengamanje odiniwe. Yabo umphakathi is losing it. Yabo because open endawo.
uMakhazini abamtholi lo.
Loli man. Okay. Guys, so that is what is happening right now. Ngifuna nibone because I know how intatheli are. Bazovela sekusha as if kubele waqala lapha aqala ngalapha. Uqala manager yabona khona kuyamasho athi managerian wona ngeke azayivala izitolo zabo kade bebalindile. Yabo. So that's the part I don't get. What does that mean? Mangabe nithi abantu bemasha nithi nina ngeni ivala izitolo zeni kanjani kanjani. Nisuka lapho nizogwaza umuntu. On top of that omunye nimshayisa ngemoto. Yabo. Mase abantu ke just lost it. After that they lost it. Ngoba amaphoyisa nawo khona maybe that's nangu umuntu wagibela. The nice thing is usimpi ugibe phe kwemoto le bes address akuyona because isiphithi thina sinake ukuthi sekuzosayina memorandum kwa memorandum leyo ugcina ngasayinwanga. Yabo. Futhi bekhona ngaleso sikhathi bekusakhuluma ingizwe estage. Nangu phayela umthatha eduzo kwakhe nami kuthiwa ngilinde la sengizolandela. Bese landela kanjalo. Kwathi kusanjalo hayi nakho sesiyenza kuthiwa umuntu segwaziwe. Mase gwazela gibele stage at the same time and I'm surprised ukuthi azikho into azithele ezivezayo le image. Wagibela uSimpiwe egwaziwe emhlanje waveza umhlanje ukuthi ugwaziwe. Mayisuka from ugwaza lapho kuthiwa khona nomunye sambe sombheka ushayise imoto. Yabo abantu bemba lokho bahlukaneke basabalala in pieces bakuthiwa kobheka lo muntu lo ogwazele lokho uzibaleke kanjalo ki Nigerian kwathi sisabaleka hayi ke manje ke umphakathi wonke abantu bala khona ngisho ivideo engiyishuthi bavela bathi nawo amazulu bajabula bathi kade sinilindile. They started going crazy abantu bakhona. But they started going crazy bejabulele nje ukuthi nawo amazulu and into sebeyenza ke lapha ngoba nisibone nje asikho ngisho kuba khona ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi at the end of the day kuzothi nithiwa esasiphehla udweshu kanti abantu bomphakathi abayicasukele bona ukuthi kade bebethule bebekezelela le ndawo le ekuthiwa eCalifornia. Now they are going crazy. Now they are losing it. Angazi nanokuthi benzani because angibaboni but that's the story that I wanted to tell. Ngicela nafanele manje abantu bethu because abantu bethu thina manje bayasaba abanye bahlele emabhasini because bayasaba sifuna lo mfana ke manje ogwaziwe kuthiwa bamthathile bamisa esibhedlela siyofuna yena nalo oshayise imoto. But I just wanted to give that update because ngiyazi I know for a fact ukuthi kuzoveza sekuthiwa nakho sekonakele kodwa ngeke basitshele istory the way that it happened because banjalo bebevele befuna ukuthi ugcine kube nje. How do you stab people in their country because they are protesting? How do you stab them? Ujika lapho nina ninochuku nithi ngene ize nisuke lana ngene ize nihambe kade benisilindile leyo. What does that mean? Hayi guys ngeke ama-Nigerian asidelela manje ngeke.
Thank you so much to you and the viewers of SABC. I want to highlight that our sovereignty is through the statutes and dictates of the Constitution of South Africa and the laws governing this country. No one can come from wherever that person comes from and come here and undermine the authority of this country, especially this kingdom. We are led here by King Vululwandle Sandile, who is the great-great-grandchild of King Phalo Kaxhosa. We are really appealing to our government to see to it that whoever participated in this illegal coronation of the so-called king is removed from the borders of this country with immediate effect, whether that person came legal or not. Secondly, we are appealing to our government to look at all spaza shops, including businesses that are run by foreigners, to see whether these foreigners are documented or not. Thirdly, in the rural villages, we have people who are running spaza shops and hardwares who are also foreign nationals. We are appealing to the law enforcement authorities to immediately deal with those before people can take law into their own hands. No one can undermine our authority. We have been visiting various countries in the world and we have never undermined anyone's authority. This event of the past week really shows that these foreign nationals, especially the Igbo people from Nigeria, undermine the authority of our kingship. And they want to see this country in a turmoil. We want to avoid a turmoil because we will really take up arms if this is not immediately attended to. Hence, we are appealing to our government to take these people out of the borders of this country, especially those who participated in this uncalled for event of coronating a king in another territory that belongs to a king.